So welcome to O'Reilly Maths. This is the first video in the series of Algebra Misconception videos. So we're going to have a look at question number 1 here. It says complete the following equality sentences using integers. Okay, well, first thing we need to know is what does the word integer mean? Well, an integer is a whole number and it can be positive or negative. That's very important. Okay, so if we're looking at the first question, it says 17 plus 3 is equal to something plus 4. We have to fill in this box for the something. Well, if we look at the left-hand side of the equation, the equality sentence, it's got 17 plus 3. Now we know 17 plus 3 is 20. So 20 is going to be equal to something plus 4. So there's only one value that works here. What do we add to 4 to get 20? The answer is 16. So that's the first question done. Question number 2, we've got 17 plus 3 again on the left. 17 plus 3, again that gives us 20. And this time it's equal to a box plus another box plus 4. So we have to fill in these two boxes. So again, these two numbers plus 4 are going to give 20, which means that these two numbers here now should be worth the same as the 16 above. So what two numbers can be added to give 16? Well, obviously we could just have 8 and 8. That's one possible answer. However, the numbers don't have to be the same. So if we got rid of 8 and 8, we could have maybe 7 and 9. And you can keep, there's lots of combinations you could think of here. Obviously we could just have 1 and 15. And then 1 plus 15 plus 4 is still 20. However, if we think about the question said using integers, so we could use negative numbers. So let's imagine I put in a negative 2 here. Now I've got negative 2 and 4. That makes 2. What do I add to 2 to give 20? 18. So then I begin to see, well, there could be lots of negative numbers that I have in combination with another positive. So many answers to this question, and we haven't even got into decimals. However, decimals wouldn't be allowed because integers are whole numbers, positive or negative. So finally, third question, 17 plus 3 on the left, that's still 20, that hasn't changed. And two boxes that we add to 26 to get 20. Well, you might think, how can I add something to 26 and get 20? Well, actually that can be done if the numbers are negative. So I could add negative 3 and negative 3 to 26 and that would give me 20. Or indeed I could have negative 1 and negative 5. So again, there's many other combinations that you could have for this. So I'm going to leave you with one more, this time a positive and a negative. If I have 4 here, that's 4 and 26 gives 30. That means I'd have to have a negative 10 in there. And that's the end of video number 1.